Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make shrimps pulimunchi today. Yetti pulimunchi is a tangy and spicy dish in Mangalorean delicacies. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Note down or screenshot this delicious recipe and let's begin. Preheat your cooking vessel on a medium-low flame and add ghee. Once the ghee turns warm, add finely chopped onions. Saute onions until medium brown. Add finely chopped and crushed garlic. Saute garlic for a minute and add finely chopped ginger. Also add chilli and finely chopped tomatoes at the same time. Add some water to a small bowl of tamarind and squeeze it. Squeeze until the tamarind completely blends with the water. Now pour this pulpy tamarind water into your dish. Finally, add pulimunchi powder. You can replace pulimunchi powder with bafat powder as well. Pulimunchi powder already contains salt in it, so I haven't added salt. You can add salt if you are using bafat powder. At last, add cleaned and washed shrimps. Mix all the ingredients together and let it cook covered on a low-medium flame for 6 to 10 minutes. You can stir in between to check whether the shrimps are cooked. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if the shrimps turn dry. And that's all. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and your delicious appetizer or a side dish is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. Don't forget to follow and tag me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.